Hello everyone, this is Daniel with uGenesys, and welcome back to our channel. So are you looking for a way to optimize your Forex trading with a trading robot? If so, you need a reliable and fast VPS provider to run your robot, and when it comes to VPS providers, Forex VPS is the perfect choice. So let me just give you a quick breakdown of this video. So first I'm going to go into some more details about Forex VPS, and then I'm going to let you know about the benefits of using Forex VPS with a trading robot, alright? So Forex VPS offers lightning fast trade execution times thanks to their powerful servers and low latency network. Plus they offer 24/7 customer support, so you can always get help when you need it, okay? So Forex VPS is one of the best and most affordable VPS services out there for traders, alright? And they offer different plans at different prices. So they have the basic plan, the basic plus, standard, and high frequency plans depending on your trading needs, so you can choose whichever plan best works for you, alright? And they have different data centers in different locations all over the world, alright? And so it's very crucial that whenever you purchase a VPS, you need to make sure that you buy a VPS that is in the same city as your broker, okay? And yes, there are different brokers in different cities all around the world, alright? But the further your VPS is from the city that your broker is in, then the higher the latency will be, alright? And the latency is the amount of time that it takes for a signal to be sent from your trading platform, received by your broker, and then to be responded to, alright? You want that latency to be as low as possible, alright? So let me show you how you can do that, okay? So you want to go down to this section here on the page when you're on the main page here, and look for this section here that says low latency to brokers worldwide, alright? And you see this box here that says check latency to your broker. So you select this right here and it will take you to this page here, okay guys? So because you want your VPS to be in the same city as your broker, alright, so what you will do is you can let this platform know the broker that you're using, and then they will make a recommendation and provide the best VPS solution for you, alright? So you just go to this section here that says choose your broker, and for example, if you were using active traders as your broker here, let's just check this broker latency for this one. And here you see it gives you a list here, and it shows the locations and the latency in those locations there, right? So with New York, 70 milliseconds, Amsterdam, 9 milliseconds, Tokyo, 230. But also they give you the recommendation with the best option here, which is London, and you can see that's 3 milliseconds there, right? So they will give this option that says order the London VPS, because that is the one that is the best option, okay, for you in this case. And this is the feature that gives Forex VPS the advantage over other competitors, alright, because it definitely makes the recommendation for you to get the best option, okay, because low latency and speed is very, very important, especially if you have a robot running on your platform, right? And I know there are many traders who like to leave their laptops on and let the robot run automatically overnight, alright? And then there's a problem where sometimes the system crashes, alright, because of the latency issues there, alright? But with Forex VPS, you definitely can solve that problem because they have a dedicated server, dedicated for a service to solve that problem for you, okay? So this means that you're gonna get a lot of bandwidth when you order your Forex VPS plan, alright? So it wouldn't be as if you're sharing your VPS plan with someone else, alright? You're definitely getting a lot of bandwidth, so you have a lot more speed compared to your competitors, alright guys? And one of the biggest benefits of using Forex VPS is that it offers low latency and fast trade execution times, alright? And this is especially important when running a trading robot because it means that your trades will be executed quickly and accurately. And another advantage of using Forex VPS is that it offers increased stability. Since you're running your trading robot on a dedicated server, you won't have to worry about crashes or other issues that can come from running the robot on your own computer, okay? And with Forex VPS's advanced security features, you can rest easy knowing that your trades and data are always safe and secure, okay? So if you're serious about optimizing your Forex trading with a robot, consider signing up with Forex VPS today. You'll get fast, reliable, and secure access to your robot, and you'll be able to trade with confidence, knowing that your trades are always executed quickly and safely, alright guys? And so there you have it guys, so you can go ahead and click on the link below to sign up with forexvps.net, okay? And currently they have a limited time promotion where you can get up to 15% off new orders, alright? So you want to go ahead and sign up as soon as possible to get that promotion there, okay guys? And so thanks again for watching our video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down below and let us know what you think, okay? And goodbye for now.